Stop, man. Ew. Look at all that. Oh.
Poor booty hole.
Poor booty hole is bleeding.
And he's sitting there pulling out all that glass out his butt. Ew, dude, like, that is nasty.
Why his weenie look like? Why would he do that? Like, why? Oh, my stomach is. Are you recording?
I was just taking pictures.
Stop. He's sticking his ass. Like his whole hand is in his butthole.
It's a jar up there. It should be able to fit up there. The whole jar went up there.
He has to be gay.
Well, he in pain now. All them glass pieces sticking in your booty hole.
I wonder who that is.
You're stupid, right?
Yes.